Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be comparing two exceptional applications, namely Talkatone and TextMe. Both of these applications are pretty famous applications, and this is going to be a detailed comparison for both of these applications. So I hope you guys stay and watch this video until the end if you want to know about each and every nook and corner of both of these applications. Primarily, both of these applications provide us with virtual numbers. Uh, it One application provides us with a free virtual number, and another charges you. But the application which charges you is going to be a pretty good application. Just that we are paying for it. So, guys, stay with me until the end and watch this video until the end. Now, let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. And before that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button to get real time updates on the tech world. And if you have any more problems regarding technical stuff, you can just leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you. Well, this video is not going to be an in-depth review. It's just going to be an in-depth comparison. If you want an in-depth review of the individual applications such as Talkatone or TextMe, then go take a look at my comment section or the description. I would leave these videos links in the description and the first comment. I will pin the first comment, so it's available for you guys to go check it out. Here I'm going to try a new approach. First of all, I'll just talk about the availability. I am from an Asian country, and as you can see in my screen right now, if I go search for Talkatone in the Google Play Store, it's not available for me. Meanwhile, if I go search for TextMe, the application is available for me. So in terms of availability for the people who are located outside the US or Canada, uh, TextMe has better availability. Like I told before, this video I'm going to try a different approach. So I'd be telling why is Talkatone better than TextMe, and I would also be telling why is TextMe better than Talkatone in all the aspects. Okay, so now why is Talkatone better than TextMe? Well, Talkatone is available on PC. It shows you when someone is actually typing. It's going to be a really helpful when you're chatting. You can send a contact stamp. It has two-way voice calls. It has an SMS inbox integration. Now, if we check out why is TextMe better than Talkatone, we could arrive at conclusions such as it has messaging notification, it has a two-way video chat, it could be personalized, it has group video calls, it has like fun stickers. Take a look at this. I mean, it's for people who text a lot. It has group voice calls. It has, in terms of security, it has an option to enable passcode. So by overall, if I'm going to give points, uh, by just by whatever I told, if I'm going to give points, well, obviously, you would also know which application has more features and which is the winner. Well, obviously, TextMe scores 29 points and Talkatone has 25 points. So obviously, in the comparison, I mean, in the short comparison, TextMe is the winner. But now, if you are going to move on with the in-depth comparison about the stuffs like user interface, well, obviously, TextMe is a paid app, so it's obviously going to have better user interface. Meanwhile, Talkatone's user interface is good. It's not that bad, but it's not comparable with TextMe. But my personal suggestion is going to be for people who are ready to spend money, go use the TextMe application. But for people who are not, ready to spend your money and you want to live your life entirely for free, then you can opt for the Talkatone application. But it has, various errors. Well, for the people who are looking for alternative free applications, which could be a good alternative to the Talkatone application, I have posted a separate video, and this video's link is also going to be in the description and the first comment. So before leaving this video, please go take a look at the description and the first comment. It's going to help you in a lot of ways. It's definitely going to be useful for you, and I can guarantee you that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If it was useful and informative to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. Like I told you before, if you're not subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button, the bell button, you do subscribe button. And guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until then. It's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.